Hi everyone, Martin here from martinsmayhem.blogspot.com. I hope you are well. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator here in the UK, but not exclusively to the UK. I can also sell to Germany, France, Holland and Austria. So if you do have any questions in regards to the products that I'm using today, or where you can purchase them from me, please feel free to reach out and send me a message or leave a comment below and I'll be sure to respond. Alternatively, if you want to do what I do and demonstrate amazing products and your card making skills and join my team, the Magic Mayhems, please just let me know. Shall we get started? So today's card is this super simple card again, because you know me, I don't do difficult. And it is using one of our new in colours, which is Seaside Spray, which is a super cute colour. It almost reminds me of, you know, them old teacups, China teacups. I think they're cute. And we're also using the beautiful friendship stamp set. So let's get started. So I'm starting with a base of, remind me, Smoky Slate, that's the one. And that's just a standard C6 size, so when it's folded it's 10.5 by 14.8. And I'm doing a side folding card today, just because this is the other half of this one. I did this one as a side folding one. It's that simple. So this card went through a lot of process in order for me to get here. I messed around with it and I was trying to do too much, so I brought everything back and this is the outcome. So let me just grab my dimensions. That seemed to be misplaced. So I stamped the images onto just one piece of Whisper White, and I did that multiple times, and I have already pre-fussy cut a lot of the shapes out, just because you don't want to sit here watching me fussy cut a load of shapes out. I don't think I would enjoy that, so I'm pretty sure you wouldn't either. So taking my lovely new in colour and the small stamp, the little rose, I think, just going to stamp that down and you can see how beautiful this colour is. So I'm going to stamp a few just so I have them ready to go for future. And I'm just going to actually, I'm not happy with how that's stamped. Sometimes things go wrong and it's okay. So for some reason the colour looks a little bit strange. Now I know that's probably not going to be the ink pad, it's probably my stamp's not cleaned from the last time I used it. So let's try again, shall we? So I just use my Stampin' scrub and let's go take two. There we go, you can see already that's so much better. So the issue isn't with the product, it is with me. And you can see the difference already. So let's cut this one out. It's going to go over the floor for now. And then I'm just going to quickly firstly cut this down. Like so. Like that. So you can see how super easy it is just to quickly stamp an image and fussy cut it out. So this whole banner design you've seen me do before, I'm sure you've seen other people do before as well. It's just a super easy way to create an impact with your card making. So I'm going to adhere these down with dimensionals. And I'm taking the main focal point, which is our 2 flurry of flowers, and that's going to go into the middle, like so. Okay, and then everything else is going to be slotted in around it. The reason for this is you've got a centre point in which to focus everything else now, so it makes your life easier. So I'm not concerned about it hanging off the edge because I can cut that down later on. I'm just going to slot them in like so. Some of these I've put onto the base to create some dimension. So I'm taking the 2 sprig leaves and popping them in. And again, they can be cut down as well. And then I'm popping the 3 sprig ones up onto dimensionals as well. And I've got 3 of them and 2 of the 2 sprig. So 3 sprig you want 3, so 1 for every leaf. And the 2 sprig you want 2 for every leaf. However, feel free to mix up this design as much as you like. And just pop these in like so, just to fill out the areas. Oh god, there we go. Like so. So you can see how quick and easy that was to do. For the sentiment, I'm gonna stamp our sentiment in Memento ink, and now I've got the positioning. I haven't inked that up very well. I'm not having a very good day. Stampin scrub. Clean it off. And let's try again, because it worked fine here, so it should work okay here. That's better. Yeah. Not having a very good day today. And I'm just going to stamp this in the corner here. Like so. So just to finish, we want to snip off the edges. Now, I've seen a couple of card makers out there leave the bits hanging off the edge of the card. So if that is a trend that I am missing, please feel free to leave the bits on there. However, personally, I don't want them on there. So there you have today's card. I hope you enjoyed today's card. While you're here, why not pop into the description bar below, where you can see a full list of the items used, as well as links to my online shop where you can purchase them. Alternatively, you can purchase them by contacting me direct, and I'll be happy to help. You can comment, subscribe and like this video, as well as share to your social media so everybody can see how super quick and easy it is to make such a wonderful card. I appreciate all your support, and I will see you around. Bye.